Hello everyone, I'm Roy. In this video, we are talking about the steps for non-uniform intermittent welding. When only a specific part section requires intermittent welding, remember the number of pass segments. For example, from linear positioning 4 to linear positioning 5. Click function, then select intermittent welding. In the parameter setting interface, choose non-uniform distribution for the type. If you need to add more pass segments, click the Add Segments button in the upper right corner. To delete a segment, use the red delete button. Set the start point as linear positioning 4 and the end point as linear positioning 5. Then, configure the welding nurse and welding gap. Once everything is set, click Confirm to finish. Finally, make sure to select the pass simulation to preview the operation effect.